All right, so I'm looking at EJ for the 1 hour and just trying to chart down exactly how it is that I'm actually trading this pair right now. As you can see, this is my entry right here. I took it last night sometime in the Asian session. This is the London session move. And so what I did, I have this day of the week. So each candle, the color of the candles represent the days of the week. So today, technically, from a trading standpoint, even though we're still on Wednesday, it's Thursday in other parts of the world as far as trading is concerned. And what's so useful about this particular indicator is that on the days of the week, you can kind of see based on that pair what day the reversals actually happen. So it looks like here this blue represents a Friday and the yellow represents a Monday. So these are reversals: Friday, Monday reversal, Monday, Tuesday there's a reversal. So I'm actually just taking a look at this to see if there's a pattern in which days reversal seems to happen on EJ. As you can see from this perspective, Friday seems to be the day. You got a Friday here, you have a Friday here, and I have a Friday here. And we have another Friday, Friday and a Monday here. Monday, Friday, Monday. So this is very good for that. I just started using it anyway, just to see what was going on. But as far as where price is currently, where I'm going to take my take profit, some people ask me how do I take my take profit. People know me as First Lady Harmonic, so trade Harmonics. Basically, I've just been working on some different, just basic market structure and some fibs and things of that nature. I'm just sticking to the basics in my training at this particular point and my trading. And so what I did here on the 1 hour time frame, I just got me some nice support and resistance zones, supply and demand, on the actual time frame in which I'm trading. And as you can see, price comes and it respects it. And what I'm also looking for is reversal patterns in these particular zones, these key levels, which is going to give me indication of whether or not I'm going to enter the trade. So I like to have at least a bottom, a top, and a midway one. I have one here. This is a major level. This is one here. This is another high, and this is a low. I had one here, but I didn't want to have too many. I actually had this one down here, but price didn't come down into this zone. It just came down to this zone and shot up, so I just took that one off. So that's what you're seeing here. I can actually just delete this actual alert I had there. And so because you can see that we have been going in an uptrend, we've been creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, low high, higher low, but then we continue back into the major trend and we came down. So why I'm saying that is because using fibs, people use fibs differently. There's price action structure and there's the major structure level. Coming from a harmonic background, I use the major structure level because you get more pips that way instead of the smaller pips from a price action structure level. A price action structure level would be where I would use to find my entry. And so because I'm in an uptrend, I'm going to find the recent higher low and then the last higher high. And that would be right here. Okay, let's get that. You want to make sure that it's nice and accurate. Okay, so the recent high low and the most recent high, at least from last night, was this particular move right here. Let me just right there. And so from a fib perspective, it came down to an 886, which technically 886 and at 100 would be the last reversal support line before price actually reversed, if in fact that's what it's going to do. And as you can see here at the 886, we do have this nice reversal pattern. Let me just make it a little bigger. We have this nice reversal pattern here, this nice morning star. Price did come back down into the zone. I missed this actually, this entry here. But what we did, we crossed over our 50 SMA. We broke it. We retested. This was a previous lower high that it came down to retest, which made another higher low. And then we made another higher low right here. And this is what was my entry here. And usually from a fib perspective, the 27, the 618 is where most people take their take profits. And I was asked recently, why am I still in the trade? Well, it's because instead of taking take profit at this 27, I can see that we've blown past the 27, which is indicative for me personally that we may be reaching that 618 level. So that's going to be my target. In fact, I don't even have that set here because I'm actually, so I'm just going to put it down. Was it 126.401? 126.401, 130 pips. And just to make sure you actually hit your take profit, I always put it a little below the 618, so that way, because sometimes you'll miss the target by a pip or two, and we don't want that to happen. Um, and so that is what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for that. We're sitting at this key level of 27. I use this level. It's one of my favorite levels because it's indicative of whether the price is going to continue up or it's going to continue down. So the way I use the 27, I change it from 23.6 to 27. I use it as a matter of letting me see what price is doing. Like right now, price is sitting on top, has formed this nice doji hammer, right, slammed down into the 27. At one point it was resistance and we came and broke it, and so now we seem to be testing it as support. So I'm just going to wait to see if we are going to still hold at this level, or we're going to come back down possibly to this level here, and do a retest, which will still be a higher low, and then shoot back up to the 61.8. Just waiting to see what's going to take place with that. And that's pretty much it. Just trying to keep it simple. No harmonic pattern in this video, but just basic structure, and Fibonacci, and with my take profits. So hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to post this up on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. The pairs that I trade mostly will be EJ and US 30. I'm going to do a video for US 30 as well. That is pretty much 99% of the trades that I take was with US 30. And I'll go into that a little bit later in the next video. But if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'll talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed.